guys, Wellesley here again from My-Island-Jamaica.com. I have something really special for you today. I'm actually at the Blue Hole in Roaring River, Westmoreland. Alright, and what you're seeing here is actually the Blue Hole. But the entire attraction, we'll be moving around and taking some photos to share with you. If this is your first time here on my channel, though, I invite you to hit that subscribe button. That way you get updated on all my emails. And make sure you hit the bell notification as well. Yes. Go ahead and subscribe. Alright, so I'll be talking to Robert. Robert, yes, my brother. Robert is a tour guide here and he'll be taking me around. So Robert, bless you, my brother.
Lots of love and
Yes, man.
nice
Yes,
to
man.
meet
Yes,
you.
man. Yes, man. Nice to meet you too.
Yeah.
Alright, good, good.
Pleasure.
Alright, good. To the Blue Hole Garden.
Yeah, which they do a lot of different stuff here. People come on a daily tour and also they do wedding here.
Wedding,
Yeah,
okay.
they do marriage and everything here.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, so you have people coming for that purpose.
Yeah, man.
Different,
Nice.
different. And also they have cottage here which they have a guest house which people stay in.
Oh, cool.
Yeah, so a lot of people stay here. It's
I
very,
did, yeah, nah. These are the cottages.
no, they're on the hill. You find them on the hill.
Oh, on
back
the hill. On the
yeah.
hill.
Yeah.
Oh, this is like the garden.
Yeah, this down here is the garden.
Okay, cool.
Yeah, which down there people hang out during the day in the garden, go swim in the Blue Hole and swim in the river in the back.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, so if you listen carefully, you can hear the sound of the river.
Okay.
Yeah, that's what we're heading to see.
Oh, cool.
Yeah.
All right. And the name Roaring River, yeah, that's interesting, is it?
Yeah, it get the name from the sound of the river.
Sound of the river.
Yeah, that's where you get the name.
Okay, good, good. So this is the river here,
It's a part of the river.
the part of the river.
Yeah. Up here now you find, different from the Blue Hole, you find three springs.
Three Springs.
Yeah, which is from the groundwater.
Oh,
Yeah, so
Alright.
we will be seeing them all.
okay, good.
You have to wrap this part of the river.
Uh-huh.
There is people goes in. Right here is like, you go in there, get like a massage.
Wow,
Yeah, the current very strong, it bounces all over.
wow.
They different from the Blue Hole.
Nice,
So
nice.
all this comes from up top, which there's the tree spring, that's where they all come from.
Three Springs,
Yeah,
Nice.
underground water, straight from the earth.
straight from the earth.
Yeah, so we will see them later. We walk up and to see them.
Nice, nice, nice. It's pretty, man. The water is clean as well.
Drinking purpose, look at me drink. Here, no, look at me.
No chemical. Natural.
Natural from the
Organic.
earth. Yeah,
Nice.
crystal clear.
Nice, man. Nice, nice, nice. I'm gonna try some. I'm gonna try some in the fire.
Come on. Good for you, man. Sure.
All right, good, nice, 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 man, nice, fresh and nice, man. All right, nice, nice.
But you can have the fruit and vegetable garden.
Fruit and vegetable garden.
Banana right there.
Banana.
Yeah. Come on.
Coconut here as well.
The garden. What you looking at is banana tree.
Banana tree, yes.
Yeah, so that's good.
I see that custard apple,
Yeah, posted up to
mango,
guava, pear, they call avocado.
pear, yep, avocado.
Yeah, and that's
Oh, this is corn now.
Yeah.
So we're doing somebody doing some farming here, man.
And this now, this is the sorrel. This is the sorrel.
Yeah,
Make a drink for Christmas coming in.
yeah, yeah. Sorry, that.
This is the pear tree.
Yep.
Pear tree.
All right.
Some of them with a season.
It's Kalalu.
Yeah, man.
So somebody doing some nice farming around here, man.
Yeah. This one is land. sugar cane too.
Cane, sugar cane. Yeah.
The guava tree.
Guava tree.
Really, yeah, Japanese ground.
Yeah,
tree.
yep, yep.
So the trees you find them that way.
Oh, good.
It's a spice which people use, you know.
Which one is this one?
Oregano.
Oregano.
Yeah, oregano. People use it as a spice for food and for...
Oh, really?
Yeah. For your meat, your vegetable,
Yeah.
soup, anything. And also you can make tea.
Yeah, I can smell it.
Yeah, you have a smell of it. Whole night and a smell it.
Oh, next one, nice,
Yeah.
nice.
You go to the spring.
Mm-hmm.
Swimming here, man. People swim every day.
They actually come and go and swim in there.
Yeah, for swimming.
Nice.
And the water have two different feelings.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, the blue holes have two different feelings. Some part warm, a bit warm, and some part cool.
Oh, really?
Yeah, so it's a mineral water also.
Mineral water.
Yeah.
Good. So we're on our way to see the 3 springs now. Okay, good.
The water from the ground, no rain water.
Mm-hmm.
Strictly spring.
Good.
Natural spring water. Green one in the right place.
Good. So this is cocoa. They used to make cocoa tea and several other products, byproducts. Chocolate, that's a ripe one. Good. We could drive up here, man. That's a guinea hen.
This grows in the earth, is a root. So this is the root of it, you know?
And that's strong smell, eh?
Yeah, the scientist does the research, say good for cancer.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so this is the root which you boil and make tea.
Oh,
Yeah.
cool.
And also for sinus, good for sinus too, smell it.
Mm-hmm.
And asthma.
Asthma.
Yeah, good for asthma too.
Cool.
Sometimes people come. Sometimes people come and they say they want to do a little hike, you know. So this is the road.
Oh, that's the hiking trail.
Yeah, this is the trail take you on top. When you go up, you're looking at the sea in Savlamar, Bluefields, yeah?
Yes.
Interesting, man. Nice view.
Nice.
View.
Nice. So this is the other spring, another one of the 3 springs.
Yeah.
Nice. Straight from the earth. It's right under the road.
Right on the road. You can just drive the car and park up on this road.
Yes. And it runs all year.
Yeah.
Really pretty.
I mean, January, February, March, you get low, eh?
Yes.
You get low.
Yes.
You can see it's coming
Mm-hmm.
straight out of the earth.
Straight out of the earth. Fresh and pretty. Wow.
Can't find nothing purer than this.
Oh, nothing. Doesn't get better than this.
It's a mineral, no?
Yes.
Mm-hmm. And find them with see it, this way. Philippine another way. We go to see another one now. We go in that circle,
Yes. So this is the third of the 3 springs.
yeah?
Now hearing it from here.
That part of it. Let's look at it. Get a part of it, man. Get a part of it.
Nice. Clean and pretty.
clean and quick. You can't say come out that rock, you know?
Yeah,
Straight out that earth.
straight out of the earth.
Can't find pure like this.
No, 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 no. Undiluted,
Yeah.
clean.
Clean. Really can't come out, you know?
See how nice iguana here, man. Is that iguana? This one?
Yeah.
That's what you call him?
And it was,
Yeah. Okay, okay, okay. Yes, yes, yes. Nice, nice. Rastafari.
and the good, you know, them, we've got them on some bike, you know, they do the ATV bikes.
Oh.
Four-wheel ATV.
Oh, nice.
You ride on the mountain.
Eh?
Oh, nice. That's what you do that.
Nice.
them bad and blend and I'm going to take you up.
Over here, so the park I cave. I used to water come from the cave and travel 2 days and end up out in the river. So the park I mineral water there. So sometimes people come and you can't afford to go in a cave, then you get some. Yeah.
Nice.
Yes, yes, I have to do it.
Yeah. Can't use it up.
Yeah. Drink it, man. That's what I came.
Tree spring come from that way, coming. Yeah.
Stand up in over here, side. Nice place, man. Okay, family and friends next time.
Oh, in the cave.
Yeah, the entrance.
All right, the entrance to the cave, guys, going in.
Yeah, eyes down and keep to your left.
Ah, eyes down, keep to your left.
You know, see you.
All right.
Go have a look and come back, my friend.
So now this is the cave here, yeah?
Yeah.
The name of the cave, the village and the river is called Roaring River.
Yeah.
So this is the Roaring River cave, which is very big.
Good. This is the top of the cave. These are the stones coming down.
Yeah.
Wow.
Coming down stalactites.
Stalactites and stalagmites.
Yeah, might is on the ground.
Good.
Big step up, small one,
Mm-hmm.
so this one.
Okay, that's good. So we have lighting in here, man.
Look at the rock here. And see we can take away the lights.
A turtle.
Yeah, man.
The turtle rock.
Yeah, natural formation of a turtle, you know?
Natural formation of a turtle.
Nobody make that. Can't find water.
Yes.
Yeah.
Nice.
Down here, so now, that's where you find the big blue hole which people swim.
Okay, good.
So we save this to last.
All right,
And
good.
we'll back with that.
Good.
That's the entrance which used to go 2 miles to a different village.
A different village.
Yeah. Long time ago, I didn't place here with African slaves, and you see it as the escape route, you know?
Okay, all right. I see a bat. Am I seeing a bat?
Yeah.
A bat in the top of the roof here.
Yeah, that bat's down there, harmless. Fruit bats.
Fruit bats.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. So you have several entrance and exits.
Yes.
That's one. This is another one.
Slow down, this is start like that. Might get this one, might get this. 2 different formations in the rock. This one is the head of the lion and the skull and the lion.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
All right. That's the lion head.
Yes, man.
And that's the skull. Okay. Yeah, man. The lion's head is very evident.
Truly.
All right. Good.
This one we see the fish, head of the fish. Side view.
Yes.
So now we bend and look up now, watch it dancing. Bend. Watch it.
Wow.
Third compartment, which is the
Third
largest.
compartment, the largest part.
Yeah. It is 5 different compartments. Many different combination I got, you know.
This is pretty high, man. This is like probably about,
90, 90.
in terms of the height, it's probably about 50 or 100 feet high. It's pretty high. It's tall, yeah.
You got a taller part of it.
Wow.
What is it?
Yes. All right.
The one you said to go right now, this is the mineral water that heals the whole body.
Mineral
People
water.
feel like hot loaf.
Okay. The water dripping from the roof here.
Yeah, this is the running stream inside the cave.
See, this appears with people.
The running stream, you see?
Nice. Okay.
It's a natural jacuzzi. A lot of people come, they put their whole body in here.
Yeah.
They always have feeling good for it.
And this is the mineral spring.
Yes.
All right.
Now I come in for the side also.
Because they're shooting.
No, watch it over this, watch it over
Yes,
this.
yes,
This one from this side.
Back here is where you come from. Back here you can hold like 7 people.
Where?
That's come right across. Yeah, sunlight.
Okay.
Sunlight. You see that where you come from that way?
Oh, that's where it's coming from.
Here, underground street. But you can hold like 7 people, it's like a tight space to your body, you know?
Yes, yes,
We say natural jacuzzi.
Yes, yes, yes.
And you can feel the water good far.
Nice, nice, nice.
Mineral, city.
That's good. All natural. All natural. This is the roof again. David Barrett made himself known he was here, and John Barrett. That's John David Barrett.
We're here.
Yeah, man, all was here, all was here. Good, good, good.
So we have the sound from here in jacuzzi and the not same way. The sound from here, so. Yeah, man, see sound from here. Use with the jacuzzi.
Mud bar.
Yes,
One bar.
yes.
Okay.
But we find the skin and wash off the feet, brand new.
All right.
Yes. Like almond, lychee.
Oh, nice.
Yes. Yes.
Nice, nice, nice.
No sunlight, so they just go to one little tree and then die back again.
Yes, yes.
Take them and bring them outside.
Yes.
They are big tree.
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
The rock is known as the face of the African warrior, Nani.
What do you call it?
Nani, the face of the African warrior,
Oh.
Nani, of the maroon, that's her.
That's the face, okay.
Come on,
It's a side view.
Yes. Yes, yes, man. Yes, very evident, very evident, very, very evident.
Up top now, this is the ear hole.
Wow. Yes.
This way back and go out, back and forth, you know.
Yes, 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 yes.
So this is
Ah.
where they came in here, fresh air.
Fresh air comes in from that side. Okay, cool, cool, cool.
And if we don't hear it's raining, this is the only place you can tell, yeah?
I get wet.
Yeah. Just not really wet, just a little
Drip. Yes. And a lot of bats flying around.
Way back in the center now, there is another profile of a place. We say that one's the Indian lady.
Which one? Indian lady.
Come up closer.
Way up in the corner.
Way back the last rock, the white one.
Oh yes, I can see it, man. Yeah, man, very evident, man.
Man, kind of, you know?
Yes, it's
First
I know.
up it, yeah?
There is it, right in the middle there, right in the middle.
Natural
Good,
foundation.
good.
This one now is the formation, this is the formation of the mermaid.
Cool.
So right here lying down on the rock, you know?
Ah, yes, it's lying face down.
Mm-hmm. All the down to the tail.
That's it. Body, head, body, and the tail. Alright.
This rock known as the altar.
The altar!
Yeah, in the cave. Long time ago from the African slave days.
Oh, you know why they call it the altar?
Yeah?
The altar.
Yeah, I know the reason.
Yeah.
Because long time ago the African slave, they used to use this compartment as a church, the religious one.
Okay.
So they used to walk around this rock and pray.
Oh, I see.
So it's a traditional thing. You find a lot more different religion, a lot of spiritual ones who come and do the same. Some burn the candle, some leave the fruit, some leave the alcohol, some leave the, depending on what.
Good. So people come here and do that?
Yes.
Nice. They still keep the tradition.
Yes, so come around.
Alright.
So it's known as the altar.
So this is where we entered from the other way?
One way in and out.
Okay.
This rock on the ground here, we say it's the open book.
Open book. Alright.
People say it's the Bible.
Yes.
Way up top, we can see the praying hand. To the right, the formation rock.
Yes. I can see that. Yes. Yes, man. It's amazing, man.
This is one of the most powerful spots in the cave, you know?
Yes.
Which is the fifth compartment.
Yes. The fifth compartment.
Goes in a dead end.
Yes.
Finish. But here, you can see the crystal, put the light. All the quartz up there, it's shining crystal.
Wow. It's pretty, man. Crystalline. Wow. Look at this. Glistening. So this is the altar, walking around the altar.
And pray.
Right.
Sometimes you got a lot of different people come.
From different, religion.
Yes, and people with different problems. So they walk around the altar and pray.
Yes. Free themselves.
Yes. One to your right, formation rock.
This one.
Yes.
Oh, yes.
The fire stick before it.
Right there.
Step.
So Robert, how long are you doing this tour, my brother?
I've been doing this tour about 43 years.
43 years!
Born and raised in the road.
So you know everything about this place, man?
Watch it, yeah.
Yes, everything about this place.
Yeah, man.
So we went to the fifth. We're coming from the fifth. What do you call it? The fifth
Compartment.
compartment. Nice, nice.
Remember, this is the entrance which used to go 2 miles to different villages.
Okay.
So in this time, people use it now for meditating, in other words, the prayer room.
Yes, prayer room. This is the prayer room.
Inspire many famous musicians, different religion and spiritual
Yes,
ones. You know,
yes, yes.
So watch it now, 5 steps and watch it. I'm giving you a sketch now, you know?
Yes, yes. Appreciate it, man.
You wrap on like teeth, you know, like a shark teeth. My head no bend it back. Making 2 miles is difficult, you know?
Yes.
Because I could rock and bundle.
Yes, 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 yes.
Here, what you want.
Yes, yes.
And we got 2 miles today.
Oh, whoa. 2 miles of
In
distance.
those days, you have the exit where they get out in different mountainside.
Yes.
The place called Venus Cave.
Yes, yes, yes.
Where you can see difficult enough to make it hard. You know?
Yes, 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 yes. Go all the way.
You realize the concrete still.
Yes, man. Yes, man. Yes, man. Yes, man.
So you know to meditate, as we say.
Yes, yes, yes. Away from everything.
Prayer room, yes.
Prayer room. Yes, yes, yes.
See them still a drips, yeah?
Yes.
So the last thing to see now is the blue hole inside the cave that people swim.
All right.
Big blue hole. Step out ahead. More than 30, you know, see that big open.
Turtle head again. Yes, man. Yes, man.
I see I enjoy it for my friend.
Yes, man.
Yeah, man.
Learning a lot, eh?
Yes, yes. Never too big to learn.
Yeah. Yeah.
So this is the entrance down to the blue hole, yeah?
Yes.
Be careful, come down.
So the entrance to the blue hole.
Yeah, 3 months. You can see what you're looking at now is the water, you know?
Ah.
3 months.
Yes.
No, we say this is bottomless.
This is bottomless.
Yeah. The reason why it says bottomless, the diver go scuba dive, try to find the bottom.
Yeah. Didn't find it.
You know, we go 160 feet down.
160 feet, you know. And still never find it.
Yeah, you say book up on a running stream, you know?
Oh.
So you turn back, current to force.
Strong.
Yeah. So people stay any place and they jump in. Or dive, who's scared heights, see ladder, they just go up on the bar and swim out. Yeah, so this is the blue hole, yeah? Mineral water, healing.
Natural.
Yeah.
Natural, natural, natural. All natural. Amazing, man. Jamaica have so much beautiful stuff, amazing stuff, eh? Jamaica have so much, eh?
Yeah.
Fire.
Holy, and that's why people don't know too. But Jamaica people know to explore.
Yes, man. Yeah.
Stay one place.
Yeah. Nice. So this is the blue hole,
Yeah.
and this is where you get your the mineral spring as well. Mineral.
Come for the healing.
People come for the healing here. Yeah.
Yeah.
Nice, 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 and it's bottomless as far as we know.
Yes.
Nice. Nice. Some smoking going on. Oh, this is a candle holder. Good, 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 good.
Different compartments. Watch it now. Watch out.
So for fire, we went to the blue hole, tree spring, the cave, the river. But inside the cave here, though, we have how many compartments?
5.
5.
The 6 probably the most essential part, which is 5.
5. Good. So we went to the 5 compartments.
Yeah.
But all of them have their own story.
Yes.
Nice, good. Get a good workout to fire. Yeah.
Outdoor swimming here right now.
Yeah, so we're back outside, guys. That was a tour. Alright, so we went down. So pretty deep, you know, pretty deep. So that's what the river, Roaring River Cave. Awesome.
Yeah. You know, I swim inside the cave.
Yeah.
Down this way. Okay. So I bridge the people stay and jump off the bridge.
Yeah.
So go down there.
Tell me about this one now.
Okay, this is another spring which is never dry.
Never dry.
Yeah. Here the diver go 45 feet and they say it goes in a funnel shape. So this is the part of the river which nobody swim or bathe. They
Yeah.
say this area for drinking.
Okay.
Yeah, so people come here and grab their drinking water, take it home.
Oh,
But
nice.
we swim on the other side, but we save this area for drinking.
Nice.
Never dry, all year.
Nice.
You stay on the bridge and you jump off, you know? In the place I end up on this, like we say, man, hold on from here.
Yeah, take a
Slip and I jump off, very deep in here.
Okay, cool. Deep.
And you jump, you end up over here, so. Move over there.
Nice.
That's swimming area, this.
Natural swimming area.
Public, you know, everybody come here.
Nice. All right. So guys, there you have it. The Roaring River tour of the Roaring River Falls and attraction. Myself, my brother, Robert. Yeah, man. Well done, man.
Yeah, man.
Yes, man. I learned a lot, man. I want to thank you.
Yes, man.
And I encourage everybody who have not been to Jamaica or more specifically to the Roaring River to come here, because there's lots to learn. There is the river, the tree spring. There is the cave, with 5 compartments, right? And for the kids, there are lots of places they can play. We have picnics and so forth. So well done. Andor Blue Hole swimming area. Blessed love. Learn a lot, man. Yeah, make sure, guys, if you haven't been here, subscribe to My-Island-Jamaica.com. Make sure you hit that subscribe button so we can stay updated on all kind of things Jamaican. All right. Thank you so much, brother. Blessing again. Let's go. All right, Robert.